Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to delete contacts on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, swipe down from anywhere on your home screen to open Spotlight Search. Now type contacts and tap to open the Contacts app. Once you're in, you can scroll through your contact lists to find the person you want to remove. If you have a lot of contacts saved, just use the search bar and type their name. It's much faster. Now tap on the contact you want to delete. You'll see their contact card with all their information. In the top right corner, tap on Edit. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You'll see an option that says Delete Contact in red. Tap on it and then confirm by tapping Delete Contact again. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a contact from your iPhone. This works on all iOS versions, whether you're using iPhone 15, 14, or older models. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips and tutorials.